Looking for a Cree Led headlight? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 9 Cree Led headlight available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Cree Led headlight for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the LX Light 7-round black Cree Led. LX Light is focused on developing innovative, high-performance vehicular lighting solutions for aftermarket customers around the world. We specialize in LED and other emerging lighting technologies and proudly design, manufacture and assemble our products. We recognize that, in order to be the best, we must remain focused on developing innovative and high-quality vehicle lighting solutions that are second to none. We understand the need to constantly explore new and emerging technologies with the goal of providing better performance for our aftermarket customers. Light up your road, light up your life. LX Light 7-inch LED headlights provide a high-performance safety solution with improved light output, glare reduction, and EMC built in to avoid electromagnetic interference and flicker issue. Made with original Cree Led chips 50% brighter than other similar headlights. Operating lumens output 4500 lm, high beam 3200 lm, low beam for each headlight. Tough, die-cast aluminum housing with added scratch prevention technology on the mirror. Anti-fog and hard-coated PC lens to prevent cracking and formulated to resist UV or chemical damage. Also with the superior condensation management. Maintenance-free, waterproof IP67. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the WinPower 9005 LED. 9005 LED headlight bulb, super bright and energy-efficient turbo bulbs with 70 W per PAIR, 35 W per bulb, 7200 lm LED bright light. 200% brighter than halogen headlights. 6000 K cool white, 12,000 RPM high-speed IP67 waterproof turbofan is employed to effectively control heat, ensuring continuous full lumens output. High-power Cree chip, top Cree Led chips have an expected lifespan of 50,000 hours. WinPower ensure a perfect beam pattern without any dark spots or foggy light. Perfect replacement for hidden halogen lights. Apply to high beam headlamp. At number 3 on our list, we have the SPL 105W brightest 5x77x6 projector. SPL 105W LED headlight, great power managing for these chips, giving them enough power to light up while avoiding too much power burning these chips. Makes these lights perform stable and long lifespan. Not throwing light everywhere, SPL headlights light up the area as needed. Best chips with super clean and nice light pattern, put out a great amount of light without blinding others. At number 4 on our list, we have the Sprite 105W Cree Led headlights. Jeep Wrangler headlights is the latest upgraded 105W high-power Cree Led chip combination. Sprite round headlights provide a more powerful light output effect, gather a brighter beam, and ensure the clarity and broadness of the night driving field of vision. Jeep LED headlights contains 4 light modes: daytime running light, low beam, high beam, and turn signal. DOT approved. The most complete car light mode, giving you an unparalleled driving experience. Jeep headlights are made of die-cast aluminum alloy. The rib design of the base provides efficient heat dissipation and can protect the LED chip. Fully enclosed, high-performance waterproof. Even if driving in rainy days, moisture will not enter the car lights. At number 5 on our list, we have the DOT-approved 7 black LED headlights. Plug and play for both headlight and fog LIGHTS. Some may need a little modification. Headlight come with built-in EMC function for anti-flicker, no need extra decoder. DOT approved, DOTSAEHL Vol 12 VLI DOT 7001, plus E-Mark approved, HRPL E901.1125, guarantees that your lights are legal on the road, meeting Section 108 requirements of the Federal Motor Safety Standards. Your DOT compliance is clearly etched on the lens of the light. 100% original high-performance Cree Led lamps, 4500 lm high beam and 3200 lm low beam for each headlight, 1800 lm for each fog light. Black durable aluminum housing WATERPROOF, IP67 6000 K, more than 50,000 hour lifespan. At number 6 on our list, We have the Auto Vic for Honda Fairtrax. Super brightness, brighter than halogen headlights or stock lamp, plug and play, no need ballast, energy saving, high performance LED, superior illumination and stability. High quality aluminum housing acts as radiant heat sink, ensure the secure temperature range. Up to 50,000 hours service life. Energy saving, no UV and IR radiation, shock proof and anti-corrosion. This high-power 80W LED bulb has a unique design with high-quality LED chips and solid alloy mold. It will be much brighter than your original halogen bulb. Direct plug and play, you just have to plug it in the socket, no need ballast. At number 7 on our list, we have the Sunpie 7-inch round Cree Led headlights. 1997 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKJKU to JL Freedom Edition, Rubicon Sahara, Unlimited Hard Rock Edition, Willys Wheeler, Altitude, Dragon Edition, X-Sport Utility 2-door, 4-door. The light is brighter and focused. DOTSAE mark approved, legal on the road and 1-year warranty. Plug and play, usually in 20 minutes and built-in CAN bus, no need extra decoder. Note, the CAN bus can solve 99.9% flicker or high beam off or RITO interference, 0.08% needs extra upgrade CAN bus. Made with original Cree chips, 20% more brighter and durable than other similar headlight. Clear lens and good design made the light looks beautiful, and you will get many compliment. Anti-UV treatment lens instead of PC lens or glass on surface greatly reduces scratch. It is hard to fade or yellowish. It will give you clear and new all the time. Waterproof rate, IP67. Material, upgrade black die-cast aluminum housing, speed up the cooling. At number 8 on our list, we have the 4 Fog Light Plus 7 round Cree Led headlights. Brakes, tires, struts, buying things in sets saves you time, money, and just makes sense. Our Halo Headlight Fog Light Kit is the best and fastest way to upgrade the lighting on your rig. One order, one afternoon, one great set. Eye-catching details like white halos, DRLs, yellow amber turn signals, red accent LEDs in the fog lights, and black on black housings make these DOT-compliant lights as unique as your rig. With up to 4,500 lumens of clean white light pouring out of 9 powerful Cree LEDs, our 7 headlights cut through unpredictable weather, light up dark trails, and make a statement that won't soon be forgotten. Illuminating obstacles that your stock headlights might miss, fog lights are an essential piece of off-road equipment. And with 6 Osram LEDs pushing 1440 lumens, you'll miss even less with these powerful LED fog lights for your rig. And finally, at number 9 on our list, we have the headlamp 12,000 lumen ultra bright Cree LED. Made of aluminum alloy and rubber, weighs less than 12 ounces, much light and handy than normal headlamps. Extremely suitable for jogging, cycling, camping and other long-time night activities. Whether you prefer to use the lowest, most focused setting, the whiter and splashier medium and high modes, or the bright emergency-ready strobe light, this movable LED headlight is prepared to adjust to a full range of lighting needs. On the outside, there's a waterproof switch that's safe to use even when it's raining. On the inside, there's high-quality, leakage-resistant waterproof wiring there to make sure your light stays on even when that rain is soaking through. Due to its advanced Cree LED design, the battery life of a full charge in each usage is 3 times longer than normal headlamps. Prolonged working time is critically important when you're facing challenges or an emergency. Powered by 2 PC rechargeable batteries and quick charge. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.